The forest loomed before them, its reputation for silence hanging heavy in the air. With a gasp, one of them lost his voice, a harrowing realization of the forest's malevolent power. The forest twisted around them, a maze of deception and lurking danger trapping them with its dark illusions. Monstrous guardians emerged, their curse of silence echoing through the night, provoking a terror that gripped their souls. Facing the guardians, he knew escape would not come easy. A night of reckoning awaited, with the forest's malevolence pressing down on them. The forest tightened its grip, a living entity that tested their will, pushing them to the brink of despair. With a glint of strategy in his eyes, he prepared to outwit the forest's guardians, leading his team towards a slim chance at freedom. With haunting memories etched into their minds, they fled the forest's grasp, forever marked by the chilling silence that lingered in their ears.